Hello, Islam. This is Dr. Garima Singh, Senior IVF Consultant, SCI Fertility, Gurugram. I have been in the field of fertility since past 18 years or more years. And treating the patients with fertility does not just give me gratification, it gives me a sense of purpose and have been very happy performing the operations and IVF procedures on the patients. Trained from Germany in IVF and with a diploma in endoscopy from Kiel, Germany in laparoscopy and hysteroscopy surgery. I have been performing operations and as well as high-risk pregnancies and deliveries in all the places around Gurugram. Today, I will talk to you about infertility, one of the prime treatments that we are providing at SCI IVF program. Infertility, as you know, is the inability to conceive even after 1 year of unprotected physical relationships with your husband or partner. If you have any of that kind of problem, you should definitely consult a doctor. And if you are more than 35 years of age, this time period reduces to less than 6 months. That means if you're more than 35 and even after 6 months you cannot conceive, please do consult a doctor. There are various causes of infertility: male factor infertility, female factor infertility, as well as unexplained infertility. Male and female factor are almost now 40%, and around 10 to 15% of the cases are the unexplained infertility. Now, as far as the female factors go, we know that the female body, the organ that produces the baby, the uterus, has vital small organelles which include tubes, cervix, the body of the uterus, ovaries which produce the eggs. So the health of the ovaries, the tubes, the endometrial lining of the uterus, as well as the cervix has to be perfect to bear a healthy baby. So the problems that we see while treating the patients are usually those of the ovaries, which include endometriosis, which include low egg count, PCOS, or other cysts which are found in the ovaries. The main function of the ovaries is to produce eggs. Normally, when a baby is born, in fact, when she's inside the mother's womb, the amount of eggs that are there, they are just that amount and they decrease with age. So as a woman ages, our eggs decrease. That is the limitation every woman has to face. And that is probably one of the major reasons that women go through infertility. Once you are more than, the first egg drop comes at 32 years of age and the next comes at 37 years of age. Of course, during this entire time, the eggs are decreasing. So as soon as you feel that you're reaching the 30-year target, you should go and consult a doctor so that you can conceive ASAP. The other problem is usually with the tubes. The tubes are sometimes infected due to a lot of infections like tuberculosis or STDs. And sometimes they are filled with water, or sometimes they are blocked because of all these problems. So then we operate and open the tubes too. As far as the lining goes, the endometrial lining in which the baby attaches itself, that should be at least around more than 6 mm in size while the time we put in the embryo. So to improve the lining of the uterus also, we have a number of techniques in which we do perform in SCI, which obviously include the stem cell therapy, the PRPs, then the medications, in addition to these surgeries. They do really go a long way in improving the lining and helping the baby to attach into the uterus. Then there are a lot of uterine malformations, which include the fibroids or the polyps or any of these congenital malformations like the septums. All of these are treated at SCI IVF hospital in Gurugram. We do the hysteroscopies for seeing the internal linings. We do the laparoscopies, so the myomectomies, cystectomies, and any of those bigger gynecological procedures that entail treating the uterus before we put the embryo inside the uterus. Besides this, the male patients is the second important factor that comes into play. In this case, the males are the most important test for the males that are done is the semen analysis. Besides the blood test and the scrotal ultrasound, if there is any problem regarding that, the treatment is done here. The urologists are very well available, and we can treat the male factor infertility too. Procedures like PISA, PIXI, Everything is done very well in the hospital itself, premises itself. Then the unexplained infertility also is there, as I told you before. It's 20% of the cases. And in these cases, we try to treat the patients as they come. Either the problems that are there because of the eggs or the sperms are treated, and then the embryo is formed and put properly into the patient. If any query regarding infertility, it would be our pleasure at HCI to treat all the patients. For any further queries, do contact Cure India for infertility treatment. Thank you so much.
If you are interested in treatment in India, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss a new video from us.